third runner-up sa Miss Universe 2025 ang pambato natin na si Atisa Manalo. Higit sa kanyang ganda at husay sa rampa, tumatak din ang kanyang from the heart na sagot sa Q&A round. Narito po ang aking report.
Maria Atisa Manalo, Pilipinas!
Walang nanood na hindi napasigaw para kay Miss Universe Philippines Atisa Manalo. Unang rampa, pasok agad siya sa top 30. Sunod, dumagundong ang Impact Arena sa Bangkok, Thailand sa swimsuit competition. Pati nga si Miss Universe 1993 Dayanara Torres na impress kay Atisa, kaya hindi nakatakatakang makapasok siya sa top 12. Laban Pilipinas sa final evening gown. Grabing face card ni Atisa. Ethereal Vice ang kanyang gown made by renowned Filipino designer Val Taguba.
Philippines!
Ang ating pambato, pasok sa top 5. Ang pagiging beauty and brains ang sunod na ipinamalas ni Atisa. Sa unang round ng Q&A, ang tanong, ano ang maiaambag niya bilang global ambassador?
I want to be the hope of people. I come from a very poor background. I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty. And if there's anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent, and I fight for what I want. Thank you.
Very personal ang atake ng sagot ng beauty queen. Consistent siya hanggang sa final question na paano niya i-empower ang young girls sakaling siya ang maging bagong Miss Universe.
I work with an organization called Allen Academy, where we work with young people to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is, it doesn't define where you will go. And I want to continue working with Allen Academy in a bigger platform like Miss Universe to pursue making sure that people who come from low-income backgrounds are given the same opportunities as everyone else. Thank you.
Isang sinserong sagot mula sa puso ng Pinay na hindi nilimitahan ang sarili na mangarap kahit laki sa hirap.
Philippines.
Sa huli, third runner-up si Atisa Manalo.
Mexico!
At ang kinoronahang Miss Universe 2025 ay si Miss Mexico, Fatima Bosch. Achievement pa rin at para sa ating mga Pilipino, manalo pa rin.